Good morning. We are out here on finally getting the transmission fixed. We'll drain the fluid, we'll drop the pan, we'll put the new pan on with the new gasket, we'll put some new fluid in after we're gonna pop a new filter in there. Start her up and see if she leaks. Let's get to it. So we've got a few things we need to take care of first. I'm gonna pop this bad boy off with a little flathead. Should just pop right off. Click. And right there. Okay. It's a little metal clip. A little metal clip right here just pops right off. Don't lose that. Oh, I see. There we go. So you gotta do these two clips on each side, slide it back, and then it just slides out, and then we'll just slide this off to the sides. And then we'll start. I gotta grab my socket wrench. Let's pop a hole in this. Originally, I was going to pop a hole in it, and then I decided not to, and then I decided it was going to be too big of a mess to try and make a gasket leak into my oil pan, catch pan thing. So we decided I'm just going to go with the original pan, put a hole in it, drain that thing, even if it took 20 minutes to drain. So now that the pan is mostly drained, I decided to remove all the bolts and carefully drain the last little bit, and then I slid it into a construction grade garbage bag. That way it doesn't leak on the ground any more than it has, because I've already got to go and clean up a bunch of dirt that's all contaminated with transmission fluid. Anyways, I went through and made sure all the surface was clean with a, I don't know what this paint scraper thing. I could have used a razor blade, but I decided this was good enough and the surface was clean enough for me. Alright. I'm getting all dirty. I don't like getting dirty. I am not a mechanic at all. Okay, there's a sleeve in here, I think. I'm gonna screw that and just pop this bad boy up in there. Gotta make sure this surface is super clean. We don't want any dirt. Look at that. Just caked with dirt and crap and crud. Getting sprayed with transmission fluid in the face. Probably should be wearing glasses for this, but I think I've got it all. I almost want to go grab a razor blade. I think this is good enough. One final clean up, and then we'll pop it up. Okay, take your magnet, put it in the magnet spot. Just kind of wipe it down one last time. And then pop it in place, and she's ready to go. Let's pop this bad boy up and call it done. Now, gotta slide it in this way. Oh, don't lose the gasket now. There we go. Pop a bolt in it.
halfway up, so we just need to put in another liter or so. Since I don't have plates on this thing, I'm just gonna run it back and forth in the driveway a couple times. So I'm just gonna put it in reverse. Put it in drive. Just above hot. There might be too much in there. But I won't know until after a test drive, so that's done. I can't do any more.
So I realized just afterwards that I actually need to have the engine running for me to check the transmission fluid. I don't know why, but that's what the directions say. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching my episode today of changing the transmission pan on my van. If you guys enjoyed that, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon so you guys get notifications every time I upload a video, so you guys stay updated on everything I do. So stay tuned, we got some more stuff coming. Peace.